Welcome to the 2026 Paul Senior Orange County Choppers Bike Builder Invitational. We've got the best custom bikes, the builders are here, and we've got all the fun.
From every corner of this country and roads across the world, builders bring their finest visions, chrome and fire unfurled.
I want to tell you a little bit about how this show works. It's different from other shows around the country. We invite builders from everywhere, from all over the country and even internationally. We've had Japan and Bulgaria here. There's some great builders that come. They bring some of their newest builds, and they also bring some builds that maybe haven't been here before that have been around for a little while. There's 8 divisions that they can enter their bikes into. There's 4 different ways to win in each division. There's first and second place People's Choice, which are voted on by the people who attend the event. There's the Paul Senior pick. He picks his best bike, his favorite of all of those 8 divisions. And then the granddaddy of them all is the Builder's Choice by division. All of the builders who participate get to vote on a bike from each division that their team likes the best, but it cannot be their own bike. And each of those builders get $1,000 in cash. Then they also vote on the granddaddy of them all, which is the best in show bike. They pick the single best bike of the entire show, and we conclude with that award being presented. Senior's on stage, he gives some great accolades. He's there for the awards and photographs. He mingles with everybody who's here. He's at the public ride-in bike show that we also have, and he's just excited about seeing all these people come out with their great creations.
All right, let's get this program started here. I want to start the program off by thanking the Fran Hosch Law Group. We could not do this without them. Tony, these guys are great. Tony did a super job today running the bike show out front. A big round of applause for him. Fran and Bert conceived this idea to do this OCC Invitational. Bert King is a master of ceremonies here, and I'm going to give him the microphone.
Howdy, howdy, howdy! First and foremost, let's thank every veteran, every first responder in the USA today, and thank you for being here. We appreciate those services, and we cannot do it without you. Thank you very much.
So this is our 4th year doing this, and each year it keeps getting bigger and bigger. So we appreciate everybody that comes here. The other thing is a lot of the people that have been at the first one we did are still coming on the 4th one. So it's good to see those people. Like this event is more like a family event than a bike event. So I appreciate everybody coming.
Hey, thank you, Paul. We appreciate you, and we are happy that you moved to Florida. I'm happy to partner with you, and we can't thank you enough. We had almost 35 bike builders and their teams here from around the country this year, and we are very, very grateful, and thank you. I want to just get a big round of applause for those 35 bike builders that are here. We love all of you. Thank you so much. First place People's Choice for the Cafe Racers division is number 55, Pooh Built Customs. Their bike won every category because it was the only bike that made it here. And it was a great bike, by the way. But that just goes to show you that you got to bring your bikes and try to spread them out amongst every division. So you also won the Paul Senior Award, and you also won the Bike Builder of the Year Award for this particular division. So congratulations. Yeah. The winner of the People's Choice is number 33, D's Nuts and Bolts. The people voted, and the second most votes by the people went to number 9, Badmouth Bikes. As you know, Paul Senior gets to pick one bike, his favorite bike from every division. His favorite bike from the Cruisers division went to D's Nuts and Bolts. Come on back up. In the Cruiser division, the builders voted. All 35 of them cast their vote as a team, and they voted for the top cruiser of the division, Metal Candy Customs. The people voted. Bike number 51 won the most votes, and bike number 52, Picozzi's Custom. All right, in the bagger division, Paul Sr. had his choice. He walked through today and he chose number 59 from Samson V-Twin. The Builder Bike of the Year voted on by the builders is bike number 51, Picozzi's Custom. The first place with the most votes today is bike number 32, D's Nuts and Bolts. The People's Choice with the second most votes goes to bike number 21, Crazy Native Customs. All right, Paul Sr. had his choice. He chose bike number 64 from Twisted Creations. The builders voted for their favorite sport bike. The guy who won second place in the People's Choice was voted on by the builders, number 21, Crazy Native Customs.
What do you think of Paul?
He's great, man. He's great. I know the old show he looked mean, but man, he's the coolest, nicest person you can be, man. And I love him.
Oh, Paul's cool. Funny, he came. I was sitting here. He just came walking by, you know, like anybody, and we were talking about the bike. Just an average guy, you know.
Paul was cool. I talked to him a couple minutes anyway.
Paul's a really nice guy, and I understand that, you know, he's a little bit standoffish because he doesn't know a lot of people, but he's still a genuinely nice, friendly guy.
Built not bark, forged in flaming sweat. Every scar and every bold dream they won't forget. OCC and burst together where the best of the best collide. From the roadhouse to the skyway, we ride with pride.
The builders vote on the best bike of the category. You're picked by your peer group, and the winner of that category gets $1,000 in cash. The people voted, and they picked as the first winner for the Vintage Retro Group, Hartley bike number 36. And the second place winner of the Vintage Retro Old School is Dying to Ride bike 47. Paul Sr. had his pick. This is one of our OG builders that have been here every year. Buddha Custom Cycles bike number 16. Here is your builder bike voted on by your peer group, and it is King Bee Customs, bike number 43. The People's Choice for Rat Rods and Craziness is Tribute Choppers number 62, the Cat Bike. People's Choice number 2, second place, goes to Crazy Native bike number 22. Paul Sr. got to pick, and I'm going to go ahead and announce that the bike of the year for this division voted on by the builders, Dom's Customs Bike 31. The winner of the People's Choice is Apocalyptic Bike number 4. All right, the people voted, and very, very close by a couple of votes. Second place winner goes to Badmouth Bikes, bike number 10. You know you got to be proud if you win the senior award in the chopper division. Dangerous Designs, bike 27. You as the builders voted for the best chopper of the year. It goes to Death Trap Cycles, bike 29. The people voted, and the most votes went to, come on back up here, Death Trap Cycles bike 30. The people voted for the bobber of the year, Buddha's bike number 15. All right, we're moving on to Paul Sr.'s pick for the bobbers. Who built Custom Cycles bike number 53? All right, the builders voted for the bobber of the year. With the most votes by your peer group, come on back up, Death Trap Cycles bike number 30. All builders voted, and here is your Bike of the Year, OCC Invitational, Dom's Customs, Bike 31.
Forget OCC and burst together, keeping this tradition alive. Builders, riders, legends.
Tony, these guys are great. Tony did a super job today running the bike show out front. A big round of applause for him.
What's awesome about the Ride-In Bike Show, number one, there's 100 bikes in the show today. I'm Tony C. with Full Throttle Magazine and attorney Fran Hosh, one of the sponsors of today's show, judging 100 bikes. Paul Sr. walking around looking at it, the possibility of winning a trophy, and telling them you like it, you don't like it, and giving them a trophy for it. That's what it's all about.
We now finish the 2026 OCC Invitational. Thank you guys so much.
It's a nice bike. Look at this fucking bike. How crazy is this bike? Wow.
Can I get a picture when you next to the bike?
Yeah, that's very nice. Holy shit. This is a nice fucking bike, bro.
Thank you.
Very nice, man. Very nice. Colors are great on that, you know? I mean, it's a nice bike, you know? She's some beautiful, look at this bike over here.
This is the cafe. Feel here.
That's nice too, boy. That's a nice fucking bike.
The only one.
That's a nice.
The white one?
Yeah, that's a Heritage. I had this bike, same bike. They're really nice
You
bikes.
like that better than the other two we looked at?
Not now because of what they are, you know. But I had this bike. I had them.
Replay, huh?
That's a 97, I think. Yeah, they're nice. They're really nice. Yeah. Should have left the bags on them. Very nice. Very nice. A lot of nice bikes.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of nice bikes.